Hey there, Safari family. Welcome back to Lens Through Africa. I'm Rahul and welcome back to the Southern African Bird Calls Challenge. This is challenge number 4. If you've been playing along from the start, you know the rules. You're welcome to pause or rewind if you'd like to hear a call again. But no checking your bird apps or the internet for identification. If this is your first time coming across one of these challenges, go back to the Lens Through Africa homepage and select challenge number 1 to play along from the beginning. Easy call 1, orange-breasted bushshrike. Easy 2, red-billed oxpecker. Easy 3, black-headed oriole. Easy 4, Egyptian goose. Easy 5, African scops owl. Medium 1, striped kingfisher. Medium 2, brown-crowned chagra. Medium 3, violet-backed starling. Medium 4, lesser masked weaver. Medium 5, red-knobbed coot. Hard 1, great reed warbler. Hard 2, bar-throated apellis. Hard 3, speckled mousebird. Hard 4, lesser striped swallow. And finally, hard 5, red-fronted tinkerbird. Fun fact, The red-billed oxpecker was voted Bird of the Year 2025 by Birdlife, South Africa. Did you know the red-billed oxpecker can often be found riding large mammals such as giraffes, impalas, kudus, and other big game? Red-billed oxpeckers pick the parasites and ticks from other mammals' skin, while the mammals benefit by having the parasites removed, and the red-billed oxpeckers get free rides throughout the bush. And just like that, challenge number 4 comes to an end. Thank you so much for playing along to almost halfway through these challenges. Stay tuned for challenge number 5. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Take care. Bye for now.